What are these? What is this? What is it? Yeah, you gonna open it? Do you need some help? Got a lot of tape on it. From Grandma.
Oh.
Here we are, rip it. What is it?
Choo-choo.
A choo-choo? Cool. Should I open it? Can you say thank you, Grandma? Can you say I love you, Grandma? Okay, do you want to open Skylar's? Maybe we'll start it. Open Skylar's? No, you don't want to open Skylar's? Should we let Skylar open it? Open it. Hey, open the box. Skylar. Skylar. Wait, no. Open the box. Skylar, what's in here? Psst. Psst. Paper. What's this, baby girl? Oh. Is that pretty? Aww. Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you. Can you give Grandma a kiss? Let me see. Kiss the camera. Kiss the camera.
Mama,
You got one more choo-choo in there? Alright, now give the camera a kiss. Psst. Give camera a kiss. And say thank you again. Alright, blow kisses. Ah. Say thank you, Skylar. Say I just slipped on my hand. That's why I have this big old red mark on my face. You really want that choo-choo too, huh? Maybe you could let Skylar play with one of them? Can you let Skylar play with one of the choo-choos? Maybe the little one. Give her the little purple choo-choo. Can you share? Can you share? Yeah, we'll work on that. Say bye-bye, Grandma. I love you, Grandma. Thank you for the presents.